guys, just one really quick question. Who is this helping? Like, these aren't my glasses. Like, my brother came walking in the house with one of his friends, and he was wearing these, and I was like, what do you have on your face? And he's like, my glasses. And I was like, you freak. Oh my gosh, I see people everywhere wearing these. Why? Who is this helping? It's not making you look any smarter. It's just ridiculous. Please throw away your 3D glasses when you leave the movie theater. Don't bring them home, pop out the lenses, and then just be right back. Oh, yeah, I'm awesome. No, stop it. Bad.